We're gonna get going a little bit earlier today because we're checking out of this campground that we're staying in Las Vegas at 11. We haven't eaten breakfast yet. Spencer and Rena just woke up, or not just woke up, they woke up at like 10, so we didn't really have time to make breakfast. So we're gonna go out and eat instead. Today's day 1458 of us living the van lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US and we are currently in Las Vegas. We're gonna be leaving Las Vegas today in the afternoon when our 22-month-old takes his nap. But before we do that, let's go grab some breakfast and explore the rest of Vegas while we are here. We just got done packing our stuff at our campground here. There's someone that parked right next to us, so the site here is actually really small, as you guys can see. This is really the only space that we have to use for our outside space. Everything is just so packed here. But it is a very convenient location in Las Vegas. Alright, Spence. Let's go find something to eat. I know you're pretty hungry. Gotta make sure everything is secured. All the lights are off. And we are good to go. We're over here at the Shanghai Plaza in Las Vegas, and we haven't decided exactly where we're gonna eat yet. We're thinking pepper lunch. So let's take a look at the menu, see if it's fitting for Spencer. Rena, ready to look at it. You think it's good? It's okay, right?
Rice.
Rice dishes?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna try this pepper lunch. Looks like it's a Japanese restaurant. Oh, it smells really good though. Alright, so we order here first and then we sit down. I think they bring it to us. So this restaurant has like protein and rice. You got the kimchi beef pepper rice, beef pepper rice, salmon pepper rice, salmon rice, and some that's served with pasta. They got sizzling curry rice. And I'm gonna do the beef sizzling curry rice, please. It looks like this is a Japanese chain restaurant, and this is one of the first ones in the US. They have this restaurant everywhere in the world, apparently. The open. Thank you. Oh, that's sizzling. This is unique. So they serve it to you in a really hot bowl, and I think it's still cooking here with some rice, and this one comes with curry. Oh, look at that. Does that smell good? Do you smell anything? Oh, it does smell pretty good, yes. Just we'll wait a few minutes while this is cooking. And this is jumbo beef, right? Yeah. Oh, this looks really good too. Oh, it smells so good, both of these. Yeah, sizzling. Let's serve up some rice with it first. Pepper? Yeah, there's some corn in here too. But... Yes. You're very hungry, aren't you? Rice. Yeah. I'll try a little bit of this beef. It smells so good though.
This is just like sauce.
Oh, it's really good. Not gonna be eating the rice because I'm on a carnivore, and I'm just gonna have the beef here. Such a unique kind of dish here. It's kind of like pho, you know, when they bring in the dish and it cooks while it's on the table. But this is on a hot plate. With curry. Really tasty. Yeah, a little spicy. I think think the pepper lunch here is a really unique experience. Really different than kind of the normal dishes here. It's a Japanese chain. Really delicious. And the price is, I guess, pretty reasonable for Vegas. I mean, most of the food here in Vegas are pretty expensive. One of the sets are $14. The other one that Rena got was $18. So still on the pricier end, but pretty good. Rena's gonna check out some pastry over here at 85 degrees. Bao bao, yes. We're leaving the Chinatown area. We're gonna head over to Town Square Park. There's a little play area for Spencer, so we're gonna hang out there for a bit before he takes a nap. Hopefully he doesn't fall asleep while we're driving. Let's go in the car seat. Let's go in the car seat.
They go up.
Yeah, let's go in the car seat, Spencer. Alright, we're here. Town Square Park. There's a lot of shops here too. I think so. Yeah, we can just park here. This is the park. Look at that big Christmas tree over there. Look at the train here. Let's ride the train. That's 3, yeah. Let's see the green one here. Thank you. Yeah, we got a train ride, Spence. Choo choo! Whoa, we're on a train ride! Choo choo! Chuck it, chuck it, chuck it, chuck it, choo choo! Look at the Christmas decoration here. Santa Claus is inside. Whoa! So. Look at this big Christmas tree here. Let's take a picture here. Oh, let's check out this play area here. Wow, look at that structure there. Wanna go play there? Let's go play. Yeah, let's go play over there.
Oh, that's even.
There's a lot of kids here. Oh, look how cool this is. Whoa. Alright, let's go play. Whoa, look. Whoa.
Good job.
It's a nice play area here, but it's just way too busy. Yeah, there's a bunch of shops here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We're over here in Old Navy and we're just picking out an outfit for our Santa photos. And yeah, I think we found some matching clothes. Yeah, this is gonna be for our photo session in San Diego in about 2 weeks. Oh, hey, what you doing down there? Alright, we picked up our matching clothes for the pictures. Thanks for helping out, Spence. Thanks, Spence. We're making our way back to the van now. Spencer's about to take his nap, right?
Rest area.
Yeah, that's okay.
LA.
Yeah, we're kind of driving down. We're about to leave Las Vegas now. We're gonna make our way into California. Our next stop is gonna be Los Angeles. We're not gonna be able to make it in one shot from Vegas here. It's probably gonna be another 4-hour drive from where we are here. So we're thinking we're gonna make a stop at a rest area for tonight and then we'll continue driving tomorrow. We're gonna go fill up our gas and we're gonna make a drive over into California. One of the reasons we do van life is because we're sort of looking for a city that we can eventually settle down in. Some of the things that we're looking for in a place, if we can choose anywhere in the US, is good climate for one, somewhere that's nice and warm, that may or may not see snow. I mean, Rina and I, we really don't like being in the snow, unless we're like snowboarding or something. Close proximity to really good food, good Asian food specifically, and good supermarkets, Asian supermarkets. Close proximity to fun activities like national parks, outdoor activities, and maybe other good cities as well. And we're kind of like searching, and we're kind of just looking as we're traveling through our journeys in van life. We've come across several cities that we really enjoy, or has the potential for us to live in the future. Vegas is one of them. Vegas is close to California, it's close to Utah, where all the awesome national parks are. Nevada itself has a lot of good outdoor activities, and easy airport to fly anywhere. We got the international airports here. And the climate here is just wonderful. It is a little bit hotter than we'd like in the summertime, but still a really good potential city. I think the only thing that we don't like about Vegas is the bad rep that it has, especially for our son when he's going to school, right, and meeting friends. It is known as the Sin City, so yeah, we don't want bad influences on him when he's growing up. So that could be a factor that is gonna stop us from, making a move here in Vegas. We're driving into California now. We're gonna make a stop at this agricultural inspection right here. They didn't make a stop this time. This is the first time. They usually check us because we're from New Jersey. I guess there's bugs and stuff in New Jersey that they don't want in California. Oh man, it looks like the rest area that we planned camping at tonight is not open. So we gotta find somewhere else. Yeah, that's a bummer. We gotta find somewhere else. We've already been driving for close to 2 hours now. Spencer is still sleeping, so we'll just keep going for now. We decided we're going to drive a little bit further, and we're going to be camping at a Walmart today in Barstow. We need to pick something up from the grocery stores anyway, so I think this will be a good place to camp for the night. Alright, we're in Barstow now. We're going to pick up some Popeyes for dinner before we head over to Walmart. Here you go. Hi, Spence. We're just a few more minutes away from Walmart, right? Yeah. Alright, let's drive over there now. We're here at Walmart. What did it say to park? An unpaved lot, you said? Alright, let's look for an unpaved lot here. There's an RV here. Oh, we just park back here? There's another RV in the back over there by the truck. Let's kind of go further back. Yeah. Next to the truck? I don't want to park next to the truck if possible. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's all unpaved. That's all unpaved. Yeah, I guess they said here, right? But this is like a trucker's lot. I'm just going to park it near that RV over there. That should be all fine. Yeah, right here is fine. And entrance is over here. Yeah, there's a bunch of RVs here. Okay, we can do here then. Alright, we'll park right over here. Walmart's over here. And we're at the unpaved lot. Right next to an RV and some trucks. Let's go in the back, let's eat. Yeah, some nights we're gonna be parking at Walmart's because the original spot, as you guys saw, was not available. So we'll be here. This is fine. Just a place to stop over. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. We're just gonna be staying in the van for the rest of the night, and we're gonna be enjoying our Popeye's dinner. Super unhealthy, but yeah, it's convenient. So alright, if you guys enjoy watching this video, give us a little thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch us do a little bit more van life travel. And we'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.